Mustard. 6 interesting facts and unique benefits. Number 1. Mustard seed versus prepared mustard. When using the term mustard, frequently the smooth, yellow, paste-like condiment comes to mind. Mustard, however, can also refer to the seeds that it's made from. Mustard seed is a type of spice, used whole or as a ground powder. The 3 types of seeds identified by their color are yellow, brown, and black. Yellow mustard seed, sometimes called white mustard, is the one most popular for use as a type of culinary seasoning. Interestingly, however, all mustard seed is yellow on the inside, despite the exterior pigmentation. When mustard seeds are soaked in liquid, they become slightly mucilaginous and the perfect consistency for making what is commonly called prepared mustard. This process involves grinding seeds and mixing them with water, vinegar, salt, and often turmeric, which can give it a bright yellow color. There are many different types of mustard, with yellow mustard and Dijon being 2 of the most popular American favorites. Traditional yellow mustard is made from yellow mustard seeds, whereas Dijon mustard often incorporates spicier brown seeds or a combo of yellow and brown, in addition to white wine or wine vinegar. Other cultural variations of prepared mustard can range in spiciness and texture depending on the seeds and grinding methods utilized. Stay tuned for more on how to make homemade mustard later in this video. Number 2. Mustard's cruciferous compounds and flavor. The mustard seed plant is a type of cruciferous species related to kale, broccoli, cabbage, radish, watercress, and horseradish. These plants are identified by their similar blossoms with 4 yellow petals that form a cross, hence the name Crucifer. Mustard seeds come from the long seed pods that form after the flowering stage. The seeds are very high in cruciferous substances known as glucosinolates, especially sinigrin and cinnabar. When the seeds are broken or ground and mixed with water, the myrosinase enzyme acts on the glucosinolates and produces various isothiocyanates, the substances that give mustard its health benefits. The main 2 are allyl isothiocyanate and 4-hydroxybenzyl isothiocyanate. These isothiocyanates are generally known as mustard oil and are found to a smaller degree in all members of the cruciferous plant family. Allyl isothiocyanate is primarily responsible for the hot, pungent flavor of mustard and is also high in other species like garlic, horseradish, and wasabi. The different types of mustard seed, yellow, Brassica alba, brown, Brassica juncea, and black, Brassica nigra, can vary in heat intensity and taste sensations depending on the unique ratio and concentration of isothiocyanates. Brown and black mustard seeds are generally hotter than yellow. Number 3. Mustard seed and isothiocyanate health benefits. The glucosinolate-derived isothiocyanates in ground mustard seed, as well as quality prepared mustard, are sulfur-bearing compounds known for both their antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory influence. The organosulfur compounds are likewise identified to support the body's detoxification processes and are often claimed to help detoxify food toxins created, for example, when grilling proteins. Prepared mustard thus makes a great spice rub when smoking or barbecuing. In herbal folk traditions, mustard seed has been used as an expectorant for clearing congestion as well as a general analgesic for aches and pains when used in hot baths. The seed's antimicrobial properties are known to work well in herbal foot soaks. Number 4. Mustard seed as a digestive spice. Their oily, hot, and mucilaginous qualities make mustard seed and prepared mustard ideal for activating digestive fire in Vata and Kapha body types. Brown mustard seed is a #1 ingredient in Ayurvedic Khichdi spice blends used for these same purposes. Mustard seed is often toasted with other seed spices like cumin, fenugreek, and coriander for use in curries, dals, and numerous East Indian foods. It is also commonly found in pickling spice blends, when making pickles or culturing vegetables. Number 5. How to make a homemade mustard recipe. It is super easy to make homemade mustard using one type of whole mustard seed or a combination. This recipe will make a little under 1 cup of prepared mustard. Our homemade mustard seed recipe includes 1/2 cup of whole mustard seeds, half black mustard seed and half yellow, 1/2 cup of pure water, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/2 teaspoon of pink salt. Directions: grind up the whole seeds in a high-speed blender until a coarse to fine powder. Add other ingredients and mix with water. Let sit on the counter overnight to allow the flavor to mellow and texture to thicken. You can use it straight as is or press it through a sieve to create a smoother texture. Store in the fridge in a sealed jar. It will last for several months or more. Number 6. About wild mustard. Anyone living in many parts of California is often well acquainted with wild mustard. As an invasive species, in the springtime, it can literally cover fields, cliffs, and coastal hillsides with a bright golden yellow color. It is an annual plant, usually growing about 1 to 3 feet tall, with seeds, yellow flowers, and leaves that are all edible. The seeds can be harvested later in the season to make a spicy ground mustard. The leaves are best eaten raw when young, before the flowering stage. After this point, they tend to develop a coarser, hairy texture that is better when steamed as a green leafy vegetable. There are many types of wild mustard as well as lookalikes, so it's best to bring an edible plant guide to ensure you have the correct species. Precautions: raw mustard seed may induce goitrogenic effects. For some individuals, mustard can induce nausea and cause allergies. Consult your healthcare professional before using mustard seed spice or condiment if you are pregnant, nursing, have a serious health condition, or are taking any medications. Thanks for watching! For more on mustard and mustard seed, as well as top quality sources, be sure and follow the links in the description box below this video. Please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And be sure and watch these other informative videos.